Hello guys, we are here at one of the closest golf course in my area, Harborview. I'm supposed to apply for a job here, but I heard the owner or the manager said that since, look at this, the main pavilion or golf shop is being renovated. It's been like maybe since World War II, and it's very old, and as you can see, it has barricades on it. The shop is like a haunted place. Says here, construction site, authorized personnel only. So it's been barricaded, and yeah, they're getting renovated. So gotta park here one moment. It's been cold the past few days. Always have my golf bag in my car, but yeah. So you can see guys,